or not to be? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler of the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take in arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep. No more, and by sleep to say we in the heartache and the thousand natural shocks that flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished, to die, to sleep, perchance to dream. Aye, there's the rub. For in